Good day, friends. Today I want to take a little bit of time to talk about chords on the top four strings. It's so important to know these things and the inversions of these things. And I'll tell you, I've talked about this before in my funk guitar videos, but it goes so much further beyond the genre of funk into pop music and country and rock and whatever you want to play. You just got to know how to divide these things up amongst the top four strings. So they're always going to cut through the mix really well. They're going to stay out of the way of other instruments and that sort of thing. But another use for them is if you're trying to play melody at the same time, it's really good to have a lot of options that will get you the gist of the chord sound that you're after while still providing those important melody notes. In any case, I want to show you a bunch of voicings, but I know it's really easy to have this stuff get lost and really not have traction, or it's hard to keep track of voicings and that sort of thing. So something I've found really effective over the years is to create a progression out of chords. Anytime you're trying to learn new voicings, putting it into a musical context is always going to give you a better result than learning something in an abstract way. So if you just flip open a chord book that has your 1 zillion guitar chords and start going down the list, you'll be hard pressed to remember a whole lot of those things. But if you put them into the music, make it musical, and it's going to become useful. So here's the progression that we're going to do. We're going to do a C major 7 to an A minor 7, and then to an F major 7, a B half diminished, or B minor 7 flat 5, and the last shape is going to be a G7. It's going to sound something like this. So here's the first shape, C major 7. So my first finger on 10 of string 4, and then a bar from string 3 down to 1 on the 12th fret. Over to A minor 7th. First finger, 7th fret, 4th string. Pinky is going to be on the 9th fret, 3rd string. And then 8th fret with my middle finger on the 2nd string. Ring finger is going to be on 8 of the 1st string. Our third shape is going to be the same voicing as the first one, except we're now down here on the 3rd and the 5th fret. So I've got 3 and then a bar across 5. And then we're going to go way up to 9. First finger, this will be our B minor 7 flat 5 half diminished. So it's going to be 9 and then a bar from 10 down to 10. The third finger, so that's 3rd string down to 1st string. And the last one in the sequence, that G7, is going to be fret 5, and then 3rd finger on 7, 3rd string, 6 with the middle finger on the 2nd string, and the last one will be your pinky on the 7th fret of the 1st string. So I hope that helps you remember this stuff a little easier. If you found it helpful, let me know in the comments. If this was no good for you, you certainly just let me know why. Let me know what's on your mind. I'm happy to create stuff for you guys. If you have something you want to see, something you want to know more about, I'd love to hear about it. Hope you'll like and share this as well, and I'll be seeing you next time for another video in about a week.